The kingdom of God is close at hand. And if the kingdom of God is close at hand, then what will you experience? Peace. Because if we live in our own kingdom, that means if we are self-centered, we build our own kingdom. And we get inspiration from all those who are living a worldly life. We don't get inspired by those who live a religious life. Why? Because we are all egocentric. That does not appeal to us. But if you are living a God-centered life, then the peace of God will come to you. And so when Jesus appeared to his disciples after his death, they were all shaken up. They said, "What's all this now? What is the meaning of living for Jesus and the kingdom?" Then he said to them, first thing, peace be to you. So the presence of Jesus will bring us peace. And if all this while I've been telling you to remain united to Jesus at every breath, and you have no peace, that means you're still self-centered. You have not let go of yourself. And that's the reason why I've been trying to help the people, those who are called to it, every morning at 5 o'clock to have a meditation for an hour, so that we learn how to center ourselves on Jesus and not remain on ourselves. Otherwise, we will not experience the peace, nor will we be happy. We will be afraid of all the persecutions which are coming on us. And they're coming everywhere, not only here in India, but in all parts of the world. So let us, my dear sisters and brothers, be like Joseph, who knew his brothers and he forgave them. He deeply loved them and he had so much tears for them. Only God's love is manifested in those tears. And may we all remain centered on Jesus so that we may be persons who live his peace and give it to others in our thoughts, words, and deeds.